Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Go Bada Magazine Pie channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be talking about another secret website where you can sell your work online and can make money online. So in series of our secret websites where each and every week we talk about amazing new opportunities and websites where you can sell your work and can make money online. If you want to check out the complete playlist, I'm going to leave that complete playlist in the card section above. You can check it out, but let's dive in today's video with another secret website. So before go park, consider clicking the like button guys. I do really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon so whenever we upload new videos you'll be getting notified about it. Also, we have a lot of the free resources to help you make more money. The link is in description box below. You can simply click on that link and you can download it. You can subscribe to our email newsletter. It's 100% free. The link is in description box below. Right now we have put on a wait list. Once we get started with that, we will going to send exclusive content regarding making money online. The link is in description box below. Let's talk about today's website, what's new about this website and how you can take an advantage and opportunity and sell your work online and can make more money online. Because the idea behind this channel, behind these videos and all those things is to help a creative person, an artist, a designer, and even a print-on-demand seller who are really interested in selling their work online, getting them the new opportunities, helping them making money online, talking about various different opportunities for a creative person to make money online. It's possible to be a full-time creative person without going for a part-time job, without doing anything on the side. You can be a full-time creative person. So let's dive in with today's video guys, and it's also an amazing. I also come across first time only. I have never ever heard about it, but I see that this website is quite interesting and it may be interesting to you as well because maybe you have heard about it, maybe not. So without further ado, let me talk about this website, that is a Pictorum.com. Now, when I go to the homepage, I'm gonna see Pictorum makes wall art, basically focusing on the wall art. And they also take your own images, or also they sell them from their collections. We bring out the masterpiece in each print, custom made with craftsmanship, precision, innovation and passion, delivered to you with diligence plus 100% satisfaction. We make your wall art with your image or from our amazing art collection. Upload and print. We print your photos and artwork or various types of media including canvas, acrylic, metal, picture frame, mural, wood and more. So that's amazing. They're gonna take your pictures, your images, your designs and print them on so many different mediums. They basically specialize in the wall art. So that is the one product they're selling on their website, but they have the different kinds of the media. That's the canvas, acrylic, picture frame, mural and all those kind of stuff. Let's go print as well, multi-panel, custom frame, puzzle print as well. So they also have the puzzle print, which is amazing. Sign print. So these are the different kinds of the prints they have on their website where you can place your work and can sell online. In-house technical review for each order. Choose your format. You need to choose your format. So our professional in-house designers review all orders to ensure each one is printed to perfection. Choose your format. Choose from various sizes, media and frames from our smallest 8x8 to huge wall size prints and multiple panels. Upload your image, so they accept particularly the JPEG, TIFF, PSD, PNG, PDF and more. So that's amazing. They are accepting the work in the various different formats. Pictorum makes products and delivers for free. Pictorum creates the wall art, safely pack the product and delivers for free in the USA and Canada. So it's basically based in the USA and Canada. They are having the free shipping in North America. I think there would be TNC. You need to go through that if you're looking forward to buying wall art. But here we are looking forward to sell our work, so it's a kind of different story. But let's talk about the further stuff. You can compare the products, canvas, matte, finish. What is the different kinds of the products, media they have, and what is the difference between them, and what the basement, bathroom, bedroom, dining room. So according to different kinds of room, you need the different kinds of work. So according to that, the work is also divided. Then the panoramic, landscape, square, vertical, according to that as well. Check it out. I'm going to leave the link of this website in the description box below. You can very well check out this website. This is new for me as well. Guys, another thing, they have categorized by style. The abstract drawing, fine art drawing, graffiti, drawing, illustration, paintings, photography, abstract photography, landscape photography, portrait, surrealism, and vintage posters. So I feel like this website is kind of like similar to the display. On the display, you are only selling the metal art. You are not selling your work on the canvas, acrylic, wood, and mural, and all those kind of stuff. There is only the metal art prints on the display. But here I see that they have the different kinds of medium, and they are specialized in the wall art. So kind of like a similar to display, where we will going to go similar and move forward more into about section. What is this website is all about and who is behind that, and then we will going to talk about selling your work on this website. And the finest work is born from diligence, craftsmanship, and fun. From our passion to your walls. Pictorum is based in Montreal, Canada. So it's Canadian-based company selling their work in the Canada and the United States, basically in the North American region, except the Mexico and except the Alaska, Greenland area. So Pictorum is based in Montreal, Canada, is the child of a team of shutterbugs with one thing in common, a deep passion for art and photography and making the highest quality wall art that is possible. A worldwide customers choose made by Pictorum to produce the art that they desire to hang on the walls in their home, offices, commercial buildings, museums, and anywhere else they choose to view art. Whether they created it themselves or fell in love with why visiting Pictorum's virtual art gallery. The Pictorum team is dedicated to utilizing our many years of fine craftsmanship, innovation, and an innate sense of perfection to produce a work of art that inspire our customers to say wow each and every time a product are unwrapped and hung on the walls on those of their customers. We use only the finest printing materials and innovative, precise printing solution to produce masterpieces that will stand the test of times and conditions and deliver years and years of viewing joy. So I pretty love their about section that is pretty descriptive and informative. We have shipping facilities in Champlain, New York, United States, Montreal, Canada, and ship worldwide from each of these facilities. So they have the facilities in basically this North America region, but they are shipping in the worldwide. Talk about another section which is pretty amazing, which I feel like I want to tell you guys because it will really going to help you know more about this website. They have served the 85,616 customers, so that is pretty amazing. Artwork shipped 236,052. Artists in our galleries 10,581, 127 countries. So that's pretty amazing. Their story they started back in the 2014. So it's a 2014. They started back in 2014. So it's almost like 7 years. About how you're gonna sell your work. That's amazing. So sell your art online. Let's go over to that. Sell your art online, sell your painting, photos, artwork reproduction online at the price you want. Pictorum provides a free platform to sell your art online. We handle production and the logistics of fulfilling each other order, so you can focus on your art and your promotion. Make your passion your paycheck. Pictorum fees or commissions, the price of your artwork plus our shipping cost is equal to selling price online. So it's kind of like an online marketplace for selling your wall art. Like you can place your designs onto the different kinds of the wall art they have, different kinds of media, and then they're gonna print that product. We're going to ship it to your customer, kind of like a displayed print on demand services there. That's what I'm seeing currently on the display. Only the metal art is there. Here the various different mediums are there. Mission for us, Pictorum is a printing business and not the gallery business. You control the final price and profit of each sale, so that's amazing. All we do is add our printing cost, 100% of profit is yours. So that's quite obvious when they are doing the printing, shipping to the customer. So obviously they're gonna take a cut from that, kind of like a print on demand marketplace for wall art. So free service, create your artist portfolio or profile and upload your artwork, no subscription or registration fees. We ship worldwide, so that's also amazing, 200 countries. How it works, create an account, upload your artwork, we generate your gallery. What I like about these guys, when you are placing your work onto the wall art, then you would be needing a mock-ups, right? So they are having the different rooms. They are putting your artwork into different rooms in the different environment, different kinds of mock-ups. So you can get the room preview especially for promoting your website, promoting your work onto different social media. Like if you are having an Instagram account, a Facebook or Pinterest, and you want to promote it, you want to share it, then you could very well use make advantage of their room function. They have the more room previews. So they have the premium plan for the artist. If you want the more features, if you want the more room previews, this is royalty free with no exclusivity requested by Pictorum. You can choose to sell for personal usage or for commercial use. So you can also sell your digital work as well. Like you're creating the designs by yourself from scratch, then you can sell them on this website as well. Private label, product branding, create promotion code to boost your sale, more pro rooms reviews, artist support, free forever 250. So they have kind of like a plans. Like if you're getting started with that, get started with the free forever 250 artworks upload. So you are limited to do 50 artworks in the free plan. Then if you are going with the premium plan, that is 6.84 Canadian dollar per month, that you can get pretty much started with the free plan, and then later on if you want to sell the digital work as well, and if you want the more features, then you can go with the premium plan, that is 8 point. That is, they have the drop shipping and private label. If you're looking forward for drop shipping and private label program shipping, you can check their drop shipping option as well. You can connect it with the Shopify app as well, and you can start selling your work on that as well. So that thing I want to talk about, guys, is a marketplace. So that's pretty amazing, and you don't need to get an approval. You can start selling your work on the day one itself with the free plan that will help you upload 250 artworks, and then if you want more artworks and you're making a sales, you can move to the premium plan. But it's free to get started with that. You don't need an approval. It's a marketplace. They also have the drop shipping option. You can also connect with the Shopify if you are looking forward to sell the work on your own website as well. Tools, image size analyzer, DPI calculator, your photo on a wall, online photo editor, photo painting effect. So they have so much going on this website, which I think is pretty amazing. I'm thinking of giving this website a try because I feel like there is a new opportunities on this website, and I can get started with the free plan once I see that I'm getting the sales, and I can obviously go with the more premium plans. But I feel like this website is pretty amazing if you're looking forward to sell your work on the wallet. They have a lot of the stuff going on their website. I'm going to leave the link of this website in the description box below, guys. You can very well check it out. Hopefully you find today's video useful. Let me know your views and thoughts in the comment section below. Have you ever heard about the Pictorum? Are you selling on that website? Do you have any kind of experience? If not, and if you're also looking forward to sell on this website, do let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.